In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $68,556 online. So I don't show this number to brag, but I know for a very long time what it was like for me to be on the internet watching a bunch of people on YouTube or just in the areas that I was looking to make money online. And when you're looking for a way to make money online, which is a lot of people, you see a lot of different things. And for a long time, I would see stuff just like this and it would inspire me. So that's why I do it. I don't do it to brag because guess what? $68,456 isn't even a lot of money. Like if you think about like all the tools, any marketing, stuff like that you were using in order to make that money, you know what I'm saying? You have to think about what was actually left. So yes, these numbers, if you were to get it all right now, would be like super impressive, right? But it doesn't ever come like that. It comes in pockets here and it comes in pockets there. I mean, if I actually hover above this day, you can see that this was a $16,000 month, right? I even had some days that were like $4,000 days, and I had never ever seen this before in my entire life. But what I had done was I had created a YouTube channel called Medical Commodities Automated, right? And this was kind of like my, bread and butter. I really enjoyed doing this business. I did this business on the ground, right? And I taught people how to run ads and get people to send them their medical commodities, their diabetic testing supplies before even paying for them. And it was something that really struck the marketplace, right? So this is exactly, what I was doing, but I used YouTube to do it. So I know the power of YouTube in order to actually make money. Now, what I talk about now is profit intercepting, right? And I've got a course all about it right here where I show you how to intercept product launches and make a profit in the middle. Okay, so that's what I teach all inside of the Profit Interceptor. And yes, have I made money doing this? 100%. That's actually what this channel now was based on. Just made another $1,000 this month doing this strategy, but you can also promote tools and softwares and everything else like that, right? And I've actually got a big list of these tools and softwares over at PaydayLaunches.com. Go there, download this list, and you'll be redirected to a training with 10 videos in it. You can pick that up if you want to. The price will go up on that. I think it's only $27 right now to purchase what I call Launch Interceptor, which is the baby to Profit Interceptor. So go there, check it out, man. You guys won't be disappointed. I really put a lot into it, just like I put into medical commodities and the students that were inside of this as well. Okay, so I'll tell you the reason why I'm no longer doing that. It's because I got burnt out of doing two different things. I wanted to do one thing, right? I was running a business in the real world and I was running a business online. Extremely exhausting, and not to mention, I didn't like this business, the actual real business of doing it. I didn't like it. I didn't like that people were giving up their medical testing supplies in order that we could make a profit, even if they were extra or not. There were people who I could tell being on the phone with that had no business sending me their medical supplies at all. It was an integrity issue, and I just no longer wanted to do it. So I went back to my roots, right? At the same time I was doing this, I also had PreLaunch Pete. I also had Surplus Fund Strategist, and I also had, another channel. Okay. But this is what I really enjoy doing, right? What I was actually doing here with Medical Commodities Automated was I was teaching people how to bring it online, right? Still bringing them into my world, but now here with you guys, I'm fully into my world. And to show you guys love, what I'd like you guys to do is head on over to my website, PreLaunchPete.com, because I'm doing a $100 giveaway for those of you who actually opt in to this giveaway right here. 0 entries. I just started this up right here. Yeah, I'm bragging you. I'm bribing you to like me and get to know me a little bit, right? So I want you guys to follow me on these platforms. Say hi, say that I came over from your YouTube video and everything else like that. So other than that, I thank you guys very much. I give you two options. You can check me out at profitinterceptor.com, where I teach the entire method of how to basically be able to make $1,000 just from a single video. Or you can go to paydaylaunches.com, get my Rolodex. You're going to get this Rolodex anyways if you get into Profit Interceptor, but grab this, right? Start signing up for these affiliate programs and go through that 10 video training where I show you basically how to, make your first dollar online. Thanks a whole lot. I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.